Every year, without fail, I get the exact same call. It's the first cold night in November, someone flips on the heater, and 5 minutes later, they're convinced they're about to lose the entire house. Because the smell? Oh, it's dramatic. Burning hair, dusty laundry, dirty sock, wet dog, sometimes all at once. Here's what's really happening. Your heater has been sitting untouched for 9 months. During that time, dust settles on the heat exchanger, on the electric strips, on every inch of that system. And when you finally fire it up again, all of that dust gets roasted instantly. It's not dangerous. It's not a fire. You're literally cremating dust. The panic makes sense, but the reality is simple. This is normal. Now here's the advice I give every homeowner. Give it 15 minutes. Open a window, let the system burn through the buildup. If you don't see actual black smoke, if nothing is glowing red, if the alarm isn't going off, your heater is just waking up from its long summer nap. But here's something even more helpful. Change your filter first. A clean filter keeps the system from overheating and helps get rid of that smell faster. So no, Blake, your house isn't on fire. It's just November.